Bedrock Liners is now available for the 120 Prado. Come with me, let's check out the fit. So with all of our liners, these are made to fit your exact vehicle. This 120 is an auto, so this one will fit this one perfectly. It's a bucket design. It goes up the transmission, over the footrest, under your pedals, and right out over your door sill as well. So anything that leaves your feet will leave the car. The other cool thing about this liner is it's got these two retention fittings here, and this is OE compatible. So all you need to do is just pop them in place and there won't be any slipping and sliding as you drive around in your car. Okay, so over to the rear, it's a one-piece design, no gaps, no joints, no way that dirt can sneak in and just ruin your perfect carpet like in this car right here. It goes over your transmission tunnel, it goes out over your door seals, and it also extends underneath your front seats as well. So anything that leaves your feet will leave the car. To the passenger, it's a bucket design and guaranteed to fit your vehicle. So it's got protection that goes up the transmission tunnel, underneath the dash, over the doorpost, and out over the door sill as well. So anything that leaves your feet will leave the car. So if you want some more info or want to grab yourself a set, head over to fitmycar.com.au or in store at Autobarn and opposite lot.